Hello dear student, welcome back again in our online lecture series. We are discussing about synthesis of alcohol or preparation of alcohol. In last lecture, we have discussed several methods for preparation of alcohols. So alcohols can be prepared by the various methods such as from alkenes, then from aldehyde ketones, and from esters by hydrolysis, and from the sugars by fermentation methods. So alcohols already we have discussed the acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. Acid catalyzed hydration of alkene, that is our previous video. You can watch that video and revise that content. So in general, we want to revise how to prepare alcohol. Alcohols can be prepared by various methods. Already we have discussed. Just we want to revise. First, from the alkene. From alkene. From alkenes. Then second method from carbonyl compound. From carbonyl compounds. And from carbohydrate. From carbohydrates. From alkene, it can be prepared by two methods. First method by acid catalyzed hydration reaction, that is addition of water molecule on the double bond, isn't it? Acid catalyzed hydration reaction of alkene first, and second method, first that is acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. Then second, hydroboration reaction. Hydroboration reaction. Already we have discussed acid catalyzed hydration reaction, in which in acidic medium water molecule attack on the double bond, isn't it? Then it is this reaction already we have discussed follows the Marconi-Corot rule. Means negative part of the attacking reagent is attached to that carbon which carry less hydrogen atoms. So that we have studied. Today we want to study second method, that is hydroboration reaction. Again, further we want to study how to prepare alcohol from carbonyl compound, that is from aldehydes and ketone. Carbonyl compounds, aldehydes and ketones. How to prepare alcohols from aldehyde and ketone? We can prepare by the catalytic reduction. First method, by the reduction. That may be catalytic reduction, or by the reducing agent, that is sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride AlH4, or sodium borohydride NaBH4. Okay. Then by the Grignard reagent, action of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent RMGX. This is Grignard reagent on aldehydes and ketone or carbonyl compound. Okay. This method we want to study. Grignard reagent, action of Grignard reagent, and from carbohydrate by the fermentation process, by means of fermentation of carbohydrate, or by action of yeast, yeast. It is known as bacteria. Yeast bacteria is responsible for the fermentation process. On fermentation of sugar, there is carbon dioxide get released, byproduct is carbon dioxide, then glucose is converted into ethyl alcohol. One molecule of glucose, C6H12O6, glucose is converted into two molecules of ethyl alcohol and two molecules of carbon dioxide, that is byproduct. That is fermentation reaction. We can produce alcohols from the fruit pulp by the grain, fermentation of grain, fermentation of fruit pulp. So easily we can get the ethyl alcohol by fermentation of molasses. Industrially, ethyl alcohol is prepared from the fermentation of molasses, okay, which is byproduct of the cane sugar factory, isn't it? Sugar is extracted and the byproduct, that is molasses, is undergoing fermentation, and there is production of ethyl alcohol. Nowadays, ethyl alcohol is produced commercially by the fermentation of grain and fermentation of fruit pulp also. Okay, while grape juice are used for production of wine, which is also the alcohol, and it is cheapest method and high yielding method, isn't it? So cost of ethyl alcohol is very less as compared to other alcohols. It is produced in India very large quantity. Nowadays it is added in petrol, isn't it? So it is added in petrol and used as a fuel also. So to overcome the unavailability of petrol, or to increase the or to become a cost effective fuel, to obtain a cost effective fuel, ethanol is added in a petrol, isn't it? So we have discussed these methods. Up till now we have discussed acid catalyzed hydration reaction, preparation of alcohol from alkene. Now today we want to discuss hydroboration reaction, then catalytic reduction, action of Grignard reagent on carbonyl compound, and fermentation reaction. Do the copy, then we will discuss one by one. Okay, now we want to discuss the preparation of alcohol by the hydroboration reaction, that is for synthesis of alcohol from alkene by action of borane. So what are these boranes? Borane is nothing but hydride of boron. Hydride of boron, it is nothing but diborane, that is B2S6. Diborane. Diborane means it is formula B2H6. Diborane. Its structure is like this: boron, then two bleaching hydrogens are there, then four terminal hydrogens are there. This is structure of borane. The important point is that boranes are electron deficient molecule. Boranes are electron deficient molecule. The bleed hydrogens, isn't it? Here we have two electrons, here we have only one electron, means it is one electron, three center bond, isn't it? This is three center, two electron bond, three center, two electron bond, and three center, one electron bond. Three center, one electron bond means it is electron deficient. Act as a Lewis acid, isn't it? So it can act as an electrophile, electron deficient agent. It can add on across the double bond, that is sp2 hybridized carbon atom of alkene. Therefore we can write here, we have alkene CH3, CH double bond, CH2, we have one propane, plus B2H6, that is borane, or we can write down like this, same borane we can write down H BH2 taken twice. Okay. This diborane attack on the double bond, across double bond. What happened? There is formation of CS3 CH H, then BH2, okay, then CH2. Now what happened? Again this BH2 electron deficiency is there, isn't it? Tri-coordinated boron, it is electron deficient, and now it become, again there is addition, further addition, CS3 CH double bond CH2. There is formation of CS3 CH2, then CH2 taken twice, BH. Now again there is further replacement of hydrogen atom, isn't it? CS3 CH double bond CH2. Now there is formation of CS3 CH2 CH2 taken twice, B, tri-coordinated borane, isn't it? Tri-coordinated borane. Tetra alkyl borane. We can say it is tetra alkyl borane or tetrapentyl borane. Tripentyl borane. Not tetra, it is tri. Tripentyl borane, isn't it? Now this tripentyl borane undergoes hydrolysis. Now hydrolysis, addition of water molecule H2 in presence of basic medium and in presence of H2O2, hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Okay. There is formation of three molecules of CS3 CH2 OH plus BOH taken twice. BOH taken twice. Okay. So this is nothing but heteroboration reaction. In this reaction, there is addition of this borane molecule on the across the double bond, isn't it? So what happened? The product which we are obtained, it is nothing but, according to the Marconico rule, it is anti-Marconico product. Means we are getting less substituted alcohol. We are getting less substituted alcohol in the heteroboration reaction. Or it is also called as peroxide effect. So do the copy, then we will discuss further. Now we want to discuss how to prepare the alcohols from carbonyl compounds, from aldehyde ketone. How will you convert aldehyde into alcohol, isn't it? How will you convert ketone into alcohol? There are two methods, by catalytic reduction or by action of Grignard reagent. So all of us know Grignard reagent, that is RMGX. It is organometallic compound. Grignard reagent is organometallic compound in which it is highly reactive polar molecule. polar molecule, what happened? This magnesium is being electropositive in nature, and this alkyl group is electronegative in nature. It is polar molecule. Therefore, alkyl group acquire partial negative charge, and the metal part, that is magnesium, and X means halogen. It may be bromide, chloride, isn't it? Iodide. Okay. Generally chloride and bromide. So this reagent, it is highly reactive, always used in PET ether, isn't it? Solvent. And alkyl group of this reagent is being electronegative, or it is polar in nature, acquire negative dipole, hence it can be attacked on the electron rich molecules, isn't it?